Mr. Bernard Chan, Member of Executive Council, Ms. Cynthia Liu, Deputy Director of Leisure and Cultural Services Department, my dear Consul Generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to the Thai Festival in Hong Kong this afternoon. During the past years, Royal Thai Consulate General has organized the Thai cultural events in Hong Kong, which aims to showcase varieties of Thai cultures. And the last year event, called Glamorous Thailand in August, which consists of Thai mass dance, Taste of Thai, and Thai films, was well attended by our Hong Kong and foreign friends. This year, we are proud to present the Thai Festival in Hong Kong at this beautiful Theatre Garden, which has historical background related to Thailand. This is because the garden is named after Sir Cecil Paul Theatre, a famous British businessman who was appointed as the Consul of Siam or Thailand in Hong Kong between 1890 to 1926. This year's festival will combine food and fun in the atmosphere of Temple Fair. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to Khun Bernard Chan for his valuable advice and support. My appreciation also goes to the Leisure and Cultural Services Department for its kind cooperation and guidance. Without you, we cannot make this event happen. I would also like to thank my ASEAN colleagues and other friends of Thailand for their presence today. Most importantly, I wish to thank my event manager, Ms. Pen Prapha. Where are you? Please give her a big hand for her hard work and devotion. On behalf of the Royal Thai Consulate General and Team Thailand in Hong Kong, I hope all of you will enjoy the afternoon, and we look forward to welcome you to Thailand to experience full package of Thai hospitalities by yourself.